What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test the paddle shifters, okay? This is gonna be a fun video. Let's test the paddle shifters in the sport mode, 0 to 60 with the regular transmission and 0 to 60 with the paddle shifters, okay? Let's do it. Okay guys, for those of you guys that have a Corolla, the Corolla comes with the automatic transmission comes with paddle shifters. These are the paddle shifters. Those are for you can make the car like a manual, and you can change the gears with the paddle shifter. So that's what we're gonna try today, the paddle shifters. Okay, let's see if we can beat the 11 seconds and the 0 to 60 with the paddle shifters. Okay, but also I'm gonna do it on the sport mode. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, there's some guys cutting the grass here, but we're gonna test it here again. Okay, no car is coming right now. I'm gonna put it in a sport mode and paddle shifter. How can we do it? Manual. And all right, let's go. Oh wow, it went fast. So I'm gonna do it again because let's test it again. I didn't go all the way to the red, so I'm gonna try to go all the way to the 6,000 RPM, okay? On the next one. It's a little bit hard for me to hold the camera and at the same time change the shifters. I have a tripod, but it's still hard because it's moving. But let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The car will change the gear automatic because it doesn't let the RPM to go to the red, to the 7,000 RPM. So now sport mode in manual. I mean automatic. Okay, from here. Automatic all the way to the floor. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay guys, I'm at the gas station because I forgot to put gas. But with the paddle shifters, it won't let the RPM go to the red. The transmission will change the gears automatic, so it won't go all the way to the red. So I have to move. Some cars coming. So I'm gonna put the time for each mode. Both of them I use the sport mode. Okay, I use the sport mode for both. So I'm gonna put it there so to see which one is faster. It's a lot of fun to do it in the sport mode, but it's gonna drink more gas, the car, okay? So let me know what you guys think. Put it in the comments if you do it faster. Okay, faster than this, okay? My car is a Corolla SE, and so the Corolla is not that fast, okay? So if you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one, okay? See you on the next video.